Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is FOREX, and in this video, I'll be running complete price action trading on GBP USD through the power of top-down analysis. Because in order to be a profitable trader, the first thing you need to understand is knowing the bias of the market. If you can understand the bias of the market, that is where the big boys are moving the market to, then you can have inclinations of what you are doing. If you lost the track of the bias in the market, you can do nothing. Once you can understand the bias of the market through top-down analysis, the ability to understand each time frame and what market is doing, then it gives you an access of what to do per time. Either the buyers are in the market or the sellers are in the market. And without wasting much of our time, let's see what market has for us this coming week. This is GBP USD monthly time frame. And right now, it seems like GBP USD has entered reversal pattern. What do I mean? It means that buyers are now coming into the market to play the game. Yes, because since August 2023, GBP USD has been, the movement has not been obvious. For example, if we go back in time to GBP USD in 2015, it was a glorious year for traders. From 2015 to 2017, it was a glorious year. Market was just selling throughout for complete 2 years. It was a complete massive opportunity for traders because traders were able to make a lot of money because the market direction was obvious, no stress. Anything, people are just clicking sell, 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 sell. But after the era of 2017 market movement, the movement was not much anyway. It was sideways, a little bit of higher and higher low. And that was what market has been doing. But right now, it seems like a lot of things. Market is about to change direction completely. And why am I so sure that market is about to change direction completely? From this chart pattern, this is massive inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. And why am I so sure, or what gives me the guts to say inverse head and shoulder chart pattern? Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly see what market has been doing so far. Now, right now, we are here. So if market can break this neckline, then it simply means that our inverse head and shoulder chart pattern is now valid. And what does that mean? It simply means that there is high probability that till the end of this month, till next month, in the next 2-3 months, GBP USD we buy more than selling. Yes, we buy more as a trader. Is the best thing to look more buying opportunity than selling opportunity. And because this is pure reversal pattern, this is the previous shoulder, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, and this is the neckline. It might not be perfect because the textbook one is always perfect, but in life analysis, not like textbook. So, and if that is the case, it simply means that because this is already a buying pressure, and as we're speaking right now, market just closed a few hours ago, and market is reversing back little by little. So, which means that the buyers are now interested in this market. That is what monthly time frame is telling us, that now buyers are now coming in to take charge of this market. So the next thing to do is to, now that we know that, okay, monthly time frame, GBP USD is about to enter the massive buy side liquidity. Then let me bring out another tool, trend line, to see what market has been doing so far. Yes, this trend line will be one of the biggest trend line to ever use, because this is monthly time frame, not weekly, not daily. So as long as market break this trend line and retest it, that is all we need. And remember, if market break this trend line and retest it, it simply means that the inverse head and shoulder, this neckline, once market break it and retest it, it simply means that the new market structure has completely formed without stress. So once market can break this neckline and retest it, then that is all we need. It simply means that GBP USD has entered buying side completely. But since you and I will not be trading in monthly time frame, nobody trade in monthly time frame. So the next thing to do is to come to weekly time frame to also see what market has been doing so far. So let me plot another key level. So now this is weekly time frame on GBP USD. And if that is the case, then the next thing to do to exactly know what this market is doing is to bring it to this key level. Now, this is GBP USD in weekly time frame. Then let's go back to daily time frame, because the power of top-down analysis is the ability to examine the market from higher time frame to lower time frame to figure out confluence in bias. It gives you an access to understand what market is doing. And what I've been able to do so far is from monthly time frame, we check the chart patterns that is already inverse head and shoulder, which is the buying is strong. This is a reversal chart pattern. In weekly time frame, I brought out this trend line to test the key level, the structure, and it holds here and here. And right now in daily time frame also, market has break the structure. Now this is break of structure, because from here market has been doing perfectly lower high and lower low. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Instead of doing another lower low, then there was a break of structure. Then this break of structure, market now do another equal high and consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. And as a result of this consolidation, it simply means that this trend line has been broken. This market structure of higher high, higher low has been broken already. And market is consolidating here right now. And if market is consolidating here right now in daily time frame, then the best thing to do is, first of all, this is the neckline. Market broke this neckline. So then let's switch to 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame, and this is what market has been doing so far. And to figure out the 4-hour time frame, because when you are doing top-down analysis, you must be able to find out what market is doing. Now, to find a proper entry in 4-hour time frame, market has been trying as much as possible to break this neckline. And because this neckline was a support here, was a resistance here turned to support, then resistance here, it hold, then resistance here, then market break it, then return back. So anything can happen here also. And the easiest way to find out what market will do here is to bring out another indicator of Fibonacci. This is Fibonacci key level now, which is 4-hour time frame. So which means that we'll be expecting this market to retrace back 50% into this Fibonacci key level. So we'll be expecting this market, as this market is doing its own thing now, to come back to this zone. Once market come back to this key level and reject it, then that is massive buy opportunity. So market can do two things. Since market, this trend line holds here, here, and this third of the trend line is in between 0.618. So which means that this trend line, market can do two things. Either it reaches 0.05, reach it and bounce back, and the buying side continue, or market will actually come into this golden key ratio of 0.618. Touch this market can actually come to this key level, touch this 0.618, which is a third of the trend line, and resume the buying side. But right now, the sell side probability is going to be continuing next week. And how am I so sure? This is 4-hour time frame now. This is a shooting star. Shooting star means massive rejection. And what happened again? After the shooting star, there was a selling pressure. And this selling pressure will still continue, because when you look to the previous shoulder, this is the previous resistance that market will stay there for a long time before it eventually break it on Thursday. So I'll be expecting market to come to this key level. Once market show up in this key level and there is a candlestick formation that shows that the buying side is now genuine, then that is all we need. And through this thing now, so you can see now that market structure is now forming, because let me show you something. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, now higher low. So I'm expecting market based on law of Wyckoff analysis to come to this key level and to come and do complete 100% of Fibonacci, which is exactly the end of this neckline. Because if I delete this Fibonacci right now, you can easily see that this trend line touched this shooting star in 4 hours and there was a massive rejection. And if that is the case, it simply means that if market come to this key level now, according to the law of market structure in Wyckoff analysis, market is expected to come to this key level and bounce back, which is also 50% of Fibonacci key level. So you can see the confluence of how each one of them are meeting each other. So 50% now, a Fibonacci trader will be looking for buy. Wyckoff trader will also be looking for buy. Channel trader are also looking for buy. Trend trader are also looking for buy. So then candlestick trader also, once market reaches key level, will also be looking for buy. And that is one of the amazing things about raw price action reading. It gives you massive confluence. We first of all went to monthly time frame. We discovered that market has formed inverse head and shoulder, which is massive buy in pressure in monthly time frame. Then we come to weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, this is the trend line, which is the third of this trend line is the weekly time frame. Market has touched it the second time and is moving up again one more time. Then we come back to daily time frame. Then we discover that market that was moving sideways is about to form new market structure of higher high and higher low. And in 4-hour time frame also, market is about to come between Monday and Tuesday to come and retest the 50% golden ratio of Fibonacci key level. And from there, the buying side can continue. So combining all of this together will gives you an edge over others in the market. Now, another thing again that we can also look for in order to look for perfect entry setup, in this 4-hour time frame, let me delete this higher and higher low market. Now, let me bring out a little bit of trend line again. This is 1-hour time frame. So I will be expecting this market now in this 4 hour time frame now, I'll be expecting this market to come to this key level as a golden ratio. Then I won't enter first. Then I'll be expecting market to do whatever I want to do in this golden ratio and bounce out of this market. What do I mean? So market is already lower high, lower low. So I'll be expecting market to do something like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and do all whatever it wants to do. Once market do whatever it wants to do here, I'm expecting market rejection around here. Now, when market now break this trend line also and retest, that is massive or not, because this structure must be broken first. Because if this structure is not breaking, it simply means that market will continue lower high and lower low. So once market break this structure, so this structure must be broken first. Once market, so market must be able to break this structure first. Once market break this structure and retest it, then the buying side can now continue. And stop loss can now be somewhere around here. But for early entry, depending on psychology of candlestick, because different traders come into different markets based on different things. If you are using candlestick, they are expecting massive. Once there is a rejection here and candlestick, buying pressure candlestick begins to show up here, this will be a perfect entry. But for trend line trader, we normally do breakout and retest. Once there is breakout and there is retest here, then we are good to go. So with that one, and how many pips are we expecting this market to make? How many pips in total? This is 195 pips. It simply means that if this buying side starts, this will be 190 pips at least. Yes, 30 pips to catch 190 pips. That is 1:6, and that is a good analysis. That is a good A setup. 1:6. You use $30 to make average of $190. So which is almost 1:7. So that is what I have for you guys on GBP USD. So let's quickly go back to another market to see what market is doing. So this is the power of raw price action reading. I was able to break this market down from monthly time frame to weekly time frame to daily time frame to 4-hour time frame to 1-hour time frame. You know that because direction of the market is not enough. You must be able to know when to enter the market and when to exit. So it's better to enter the market, and even market might not be able to break this at initial. So it's better to be expecting profit to be taken here in this here, which is 1:4, which is amazing thing. 1:4 is an amazing strategy. If you are able to catch 1:4 in the market, you use $30 to make $120. That is something exciting, because market can decide to reach this key level and drop it one more time before resuming. So instead of being greedy and be waiting for market to come here and market can refuse. Market is sometimes. So the best thing is, though this is 100% of Fibonacci key level, we are expecting market to come to this key level and come and play around here because if this 50% hold and market was able to bounce back from here, this is 100% of Fibonacci key level. But we only assume that market is supposed to come to this key level, but this here can come and form double top, and market can. So instead of market to now take half of the profit here, you can take your 100% profit here and wait again for market to reverse, and you can enter again. So that is little by little of basic market structure. From monthly time frame to know that the full bias is buying side. Weekly time frame the same thing. Daily time frame the same thing. 4-hour time frame the same thing. 1-hour time frame the same thing. So what does it mean? It simply means that coming week, I'll be expecting for buying opportunity, not sell. And if I'm expecting buying opportunity, not sell, it means that all these ones, they are none of my business. So when market is coming back to this key level, I fold my hands and wait. And that's one of the right skill you can possess as a trader. Patience for your entry setup to become obvious, for your entry setup to be available. Yes, you must be able to wait for your A setup to show up before you pull the trigger. So that is all I have for you guys on GBP USD. So let's see another market and let's see what market is doing. Euro USD. What is happening in Euro USD? Now this is 4-hour time frame. Let's see also in Euro USD in daily time frame also. Market is also resuming the buying side because this is massive lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and instead of lower low, there was almost equal low, which simply means that market structure was disrupted around here. And this market has been consolidating since because you can see that market came to this key level, market couldn't break it. And right now, market has break this trend line right now. Now, this trend line might not be like it, but it's one of the best trend lines so far because you can see that market, it holds here. Here also, market could not break out of this zone. But right here, market could not hold it all together. So there was a break of structure right here. And this break of structure has led to disruptions of this higher high, higher low because market was just consolidating here. And right now, this is here we are in daily time frame. So let's go back to 4-hour and see what market is doing. Now, in order to fulfill this higher high, higher low, to see what market has for us, the best thing is also put out the Fibonacci key level in daily time frame. This is daily time frame. And in 4-hour time frame, let's see what market is planning to do. So we're expecting market to come and test this key level one more time. It's in between it, yes, for market to come and test this key level one more time. And if market come to this key level to test it one more time, this is 0.618, this is 0.05. Yes, so in between here and here, we're expecting market reversal around here, which is 50% Fibonacci key level. Once market, because this trend line is, and this Fibonacci 50%, this is the conference. So once there is a rejection of candlestick here, it simply means that Euro USD also is about to continue the buying side opportunity. And so also this trend line also. Now, because if market comes to this key level and there was a level of consolidation around it before the market rejected, this 50%, in economics, we call this thing equilibrium. This is massive equilibrium stage. And this equilibrium, this golden key ratio level of Fibonacci is pure perfect entry for reversal pattern. So once market reverse it here, then this is 100% because this market are rejected here now. If it comes to this key level, then we'll be expecting at least 75% profit ratio around here so that market can come to this key level. So if you are planning to enter here, it means that from here to here is also something. How many pips are we expecting from this key level, from this 50% golden ratio to this key level? This is 108 pips. 108 pips in total. So in 1-hour time frame also, we'll be expecting this higher high, this market to come to this key level, which is 50% Fibonacci. And now You can see that. So I'm expecting market to break this key level and come here. Once market come to this key level, then that is a perfect entry for us in 4-hour time frame to enter this market, which is now market has already continued the selling side also. So I'm expecting something, this trend line to hold it like that so that the lower high can continue its own opportunity. And once market reach this key level 50% anywhere around here and there's a form of rejection, then that would be a perfect entry for us to enter one more time. That is all about Euro USD. Let's go one more time. UH30, what are you doing? This is UH30 and this is 4-hour time frame. Let's go to daily time frame to see what market is doing also. UH30 was able to reach double top and market could not move again. Since Tuesday, market has been consolidating. Yes, because this market is all this massive movement, all this massive movement, we were able to predict it to this key level. And right now, market is on sideways level. So this sideways, they call this place a neckline. In order to seek any entry here, which is the selling pressure, the best thing is to look for is to wait for market to reverse in this 4-hour time frame. Now this is 4-hour time frame and I'll be expecting this market for nice entry setup, this market to break this neckline and retest it, because something exciting happened here when people do not wait for retest. Market broke this key level. Because it does not retest, there was massive buying pressure here, and what happened? Market entered again and there was a massive buying pressure. It repeats the same thing exactly here, but here this key level holds. Now if market now come again, break this trend line, break this support level and retest it, at least when I say retest, maybe minimum of 1 hour, because even if when we go to 1 hour time frame, market do not retest, it only consolidates, and so psychology of what will happen here will be a determinant factor of what to do. And this is what I'm talking about. Let's say this buying selling pressure break this key level now retest here, then this is the perfect time to now enter, because without retest, this manipulation is inevitable. This manipulation, because this one is manipulation, this one is manipulation. This is real market structure. This one is real. You can see that market came here, break it, instead of retest, market just consolidated. After consolidation, market entered again. Also here, also market break it. After retest, instead of retest, and the next thing what market is doing, market was moving sideways. So which means that here also, the best thing we'll be expecting is for market to retest here and selling pressure continue. But if market is consolidating again, please watch your back one more time, because it might be ready to be exposed to another form of market manipulation. But if market can retest here and this selling side continue, it simply means that UH30 is coming to this key level, this resistance level here is strong. Yes, this resistance level is strong because markets respected it here. So even we might be expecting market to come to this key level, market can decide not to come. Though in daily time frame, there is a probability that market can come here, but we are not sure yet. So the best thing is to come and take your first profit in this key level. In 4-hour time frame, how many people should that be? In 4-hour time frame, how many people are we expecting for this market? Because US30 is always brutal. It's like gold. This is the US30 and gold are husband and wife. This market is not a child's play. Now, just this little movement is 853 pips. That's why I love UH30. 853 pips. That is why in UH30 it's so easy to say I caught 800 pips in a single day. This thing can happen in a single day, maximum of 24 hours. But if the previous analysis that I did, Euro USD, entire month, it's possible that 800 pips might not load in Euro USD. That is why each market are extremely different. They have their own different characteristics. So if somebody is saying that they catch 800 pips in Euro USD, we might need to verify what they are saying again, because for them to have the psychology of catching both buying and selling of 800 pips, but in UH30 is so easy, because once market break this structure and retest, that is all we need. Because in a single entry, for example, if we look to this left, what am I even saying? Let's come to this key level. Now, this break of structure, it happened on February 4th. It means that within February 4th to February, within 2 days, market load 853 pips in 2 days. So, and it can happen here also. But if it is Euro USD, it can take a month for market to lose such kind of volume. But this is UH30, is one of the most volatile markets like gold in the world. These indices is extremely, but it's an amazing. If you are on the right side of this market, you will love it. So that is all I have for you guys this morning. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time to support us, to encourage us. If you have any comments, drop it below, or if you have any analysis that is troubling you, you want us to do more. Thank you for watching till the end. Till I come your way again next time, be safe.